Making money on cryptocurrency has never been so easy and reliable. This strategy is the safest. Its essence is to buy cryptocurrency on one exchange cheaper, and then sell this cryptocurrency on another exchange more expensive at the same time. It is almost impossible to find these bundles manually. That's why we've developed a product that does it for you. Arbitrage Bot is Cryptospread campaign software for cryptocurrency arbitrage. The software automatically monitors changes in rates on different exchanges and gives you a ready-made bundle with a certain percentage of the spread. It collects information from all top exchanges, providing bundles 24/7. The bot, based on the order book, shows how much you can actually enter into a transaction, calculates the cost of transferring through a particular network to another exchange. It also shows whether deposits and withdrawals are currently open on exchanges. Everything is packed in the form of a Telegram bot, which allows you to trade even from your phone, wherever you are. Customize the software individually according to your criteria, using filters to make your work as efficient as possible. Profit filter. Set the minimum profit amount and monitor signals only above the specified value. Filter by spread percentage. Specify the value in percentage that you are interested in, and the bot will show bundles with a spread higher than the specified one. Filter by volume. Trade using your bank to the maximum. Specify the required trade volume 0 based on your capital. Hedging. Checking the ability to hedge your transaction will provide you with maximum reliability. If you have specific tokens, then enter the ticker of the coin and the bot will send you signals only for this cryptocurrency. Blacklist. Filter out tokens you don't want to trade for one reason or another. Coins by liquidity. Dubious cryptocurrency is not for you. You can choose coins from the top 100, top 200, top 300, etc. according to CoinMarketCap. Combine filters to improve your score. Arbitrage Bot. This is a finished product that really generates profit. You can get more information in our Telegram channel, linked to the description under the video.